So routing, what we're going to be doing now is making like this little like breadcrumbs. Actually, it's not really breadcrumbs, is it? It's more like you can go to the dashboard. If you go here, you can go to the heroes if you click on this button. So what we're going to be doing, stopping the web server again. Ooh, maybe not. ng generate module app dash routing flat module equals app. Okay, so now it's done that, we can go over to our module.ts folder, copy this in, module.ts folder, copy, oh, never mind, it's the exact same. The generated file looks like this, I'm just being an idiot. So what we're going to be doing is actually adding this in. So what we're going to be doing is importing our heroes component into it here, and then we're going to be setting up this root property in here. Okay, so these roots won't be here, they'll be up here. Okay, we're just going to leave this here for now, even though it complains. Pretty sure. Okay, it's not complaining anymore, so it does just copy paste straight in. I was just being an idiot. So we go down, we put in our router outlet instead. So we go over to our HTML. That all copies the reason. Save it there. Now what we're going to try is ng-serve. So there's actually a few more technical glitches on my part. I'm not sure why it's just not connecting to that port, but okay, the thing that I missed was actually this. That's why mine wasn't working. I forgot to put the imports into this ng module here. So if we go back, we obviously just see the title, but then when we go to heroes, we see our heroes again. Yay, everything's working as it should be. So what we're going to have is a link. If we just put this into the app component.html, which is here, you should see there's, oh, if we go back to this page, there's a link that goes to our heroes. So now what we're going to do is add a dashboard. So ng generate component dashboard. Now what we're going to do is copy paste all of these files into their correct folders. So once you've done that, it does a little explanation at the bottom that you should probably read through. So what we're going to do is add this into our app routing module, which is here. We can import our dashboard component, and then we're going to add this into our app.module routes, which is here. Now we're going to add a default. Keep pressing the wrong button just all the time, Right, now we're going to add a link to our dashboard to the main page of our app. It's not running at the moment, but when it loads. Okay, now we've got a link to our dashboard and our heroes, so we can switch between the two of them. So what we're going to do is add a route for our hero detail now. So this is going to go on our app routing, go right there, and then we're going to have a path which is going to have the ID of the hero that you're going to click on. So just to make sure that our routes are all in place, I'm just going to copy this over what we've currently got to be here. just in a different order. And then here, it's going to go in the dashboard component HTML, which is here. And that's going to replace all of this. Is it? No, this is just going to replace the A, which is here. So here, we're going to put this into our hero component HTML. Hero component HTML. We're just going to put that there. I'm going to put this. I see. Just put this in there as well. So this is actually what is going to be the, oh no, copied too much. Ooh. So we can go over and see if our app's still working. It looks like it is, kind of, not as good as it should be though. It's not taking us to our detail page because we took too much off, I think. Okay, so this isn't working just as it should be just yet, but we'll carry on and go to the code review at the bottom to see what I'm missing. But here we're just going to clean up the TS file. That is the wrong one. This one. Whoops. Sure, it's just a class, isn't it? Yeah. Get rid of this. And it's a lot neater. So we go down and now we're going to be routing this. Maybe we're going to be routing this properly and that's why it's not working at the moment, I hope. So in our hero detail component, I'm going to be importing these. Whoops. Right here. Oh no. On top of what we already have. Sorry. Now we're going to add to the constructor of this class, just so that we've got a hero service, got a location, and an activated route. So here is what we're going to need. This is going to go over the ng on init. So we haven't got this get hero yet. Oh, we do. I'm lying. This one. We need to get this part here to get rid of that red line, which is going to go in the hero service.ts. So this service is basically in charge of getting all of the data about our heroes from that file that we made before, the mockheroes.ts. So now it should be working as it is. Okay, I jumped the gun. I admit it, I jumped the gun and it wasn't properly implemented before I tried it. So we've got all of our routing properly through. Oh, these aren't working just yet. The dashboard is, funnily enough. Ah, there we go, okay. There we go. I need to click on the actual link, not on the cell itself. So what we can do is we can add a go back from the hero detail.component.html, hero detail, blah blah blah. Let's just add if hero go back. We need to add a go back function. Maybe that's why it's not working, because I haven't linked it yet. We'll put this, it is in our hero component, hero detail component. No, we'll just go on. So this is the final review at the bottom, which includes everything that you need. So what we're going to be doing next